Do you know? Today we are facing a crossroads in the digital age. The internet hums with opportunity, a vast landscape where fortunes are made and dreams are realized. But it's also a battlefield littered with the digital corpses of failed ventures and broken promises. Which pill will you choose? Will you cling to outdated methods hoping for a different result? Or will you embrace the red pill, swallow the truth, and unlock the secrets to online success? We're living in the midst of a digital gold rush. The internet has become a vast landscape of opportunities where anyone with a computer and an idea can potentially strike it rich. Every day, more and more people are flocking online, eager to stake their claim and strike it rich. They come with dreams of financial freedom, hoping to turn their passions into profits. But just like the gold rush of the 1800s, not everyone will find their fortune. Many will face disappointment, realizing that the path to success is fraught with challenges and setbacks. The internet is awash with information, much of it contradictory and confusing. It's a double-edged sword. While there's a wealth of knowledge available, it can be overwhelming to sift through it all. It's easy to get lost in the noise, paralyzed by analysis paralysis. You might find yourself stuck, unable to make decisions because of the sheer volume of options and advice. You jump from one shiny object to the next, hoping for a quick fix, a magic bullet. The allure of instant success can be tempting, but it's often a mirage. But the truth is, there's no shortcut to success. Just like climbing a mountain or running a marathon, building a successful online business requires perseverance, dedication, and hard work. Building a profitable online business takes time, effort, and the right knowledge. It's about laying a solid foundation, learning from mistakes, and continuously improving. So are you ready to roll up your sleeves and dig deep? Are you willing to put in the hours to learn, adapt, and grow? Are you prepared to learn the secrets that separate the digital gold miners from the dreamers? The journey won't be easy, but for those who are committed, the rewards can be life-changing. So, are you in or out? This is where DotCom Secrets comes in. It's not just another get-rich-quick scheme or a collection of empty promises. It's a proven system, a roadmap to navigate the often treacherous terrain of online business. In this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain and reveal the secrets that have helped me and countless others build thriving online empires. We'll delve into the core principles of online marketing, from crafting irresistible offers to building automated sales funnels that convert like clockwork. You'll learn how to identify your ideal customer, speak directly to their desires, and position yourself as the go-to solution in your niche. Before we dive into the good stuff, let's address the elephant in the room: failure. It's an uncomfortable truth, but most online businesses fail, and they fail for a variety of reasons. Some entrepreneurs lack clarity, jumping into the online world without a clear plan or target audience. Others fall prey to shiny object syndrome, chasing every new marketing trend that comes along. Many underestimate the power of building relationships with their audience, focusing solely on quick sales instead of long-term loyalty. And then there are those who simply give up too soon, discouraged by the inevitable setbacks and challenges that come with any entrepreneurial journey. But if I tell you there's a better way, what if I told you that you can stack the odds in your favor by understanding and implementing the proven principles of DotCom Secrets? What if I told you that you can create a predictable and profitable online business that allows you to live life on your own terms? That's the power of the information I'm about to share with you. It's time to stop spinning your wheels and start seeing real results. It's time to ditch the outdated methods and embrace the strategies that are working right now. Crafting your funnel of fortune. One of the most critical elements of online success is mastering the art of the sales funnel. This is not just a buzzword, it's a fundamental strategy that can make or break your business. A well-crafted sales funnel can significantly increase your revenue and customer base. A sales funnel is simply a system that guides your prospects through a series of steps, ultimately leading them to make a purchase. It's a journey that starts with awareness and ends with a transaction, but it doesn't stop there. Post-purchase engagement is equally important to retain customers and encourage repeat business. Think of it like a giant funnel, where you pour potential customers in at the top, and they flow through a series of strategically designed stages, filtering out those who aren't a good fit and guiding the rest towards becoming paying customers. Each stage of the funnel has its own purpose and requires specific tactics to move prospects to the next stage. We'll explore the different types of funnels, from simple lead generation funnels to complex sales funnels designed to maximize customer lifetime value. Lead generation funnels are great for capturing initial interest, while more complex funnels can include upsells, downsells, and cross-sells to maximize revenue. You'll learn how to optimize each stage of your funnel for maximum conversions, ensuring that you're capturing as many leads and turning them into loyal customers as possible. This involves understanding your audience, crafting compelling offers, and using data to refine your approach. By the end of this section, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to build and optimize a sales funnel that drives consistent, scalable growth for your business. Remember, a successful sales funnel is not a set-it-and-forget-it tool. It requires constant monitoring and tweaking to adapt to changing market conditions and customer behaviors. Stay proactive, keep testing, and always be ready to make adjustments to improve performance. With dedication and the right strategies, your funnel of fortune will become a powerful engine driving your business towards unprecedented success. So let's dive in and start crafting your funnel of fortune today. Ascending the value ladder from buyer to raving fan. In the online world, it's not enough to simply make a sale. The digital marketplace is crowded, and customers have endless options at their fingertips. To stand out, you need to go beyond the initial transaction. To build a truly sustainable business, you need to create raving fans, customers who are so blown away by the value you provide that they can't help but tell everyone they know about you. These are the customers who will leave glowing reviews, share their experiences on social media, and become your most vocal advocates. That's where the value ladder comes in. It's a strategic approach to customer engagement and retention. The value ladder is a concept that involves creating a range of products and services at different price points, each offering increasing levels of value and addressing different needs within your target market. This way, you can cater to a broader audience and meet them wherever they are in their buying journey. By strategically positioning your offers on a value ladder, you can guide your customers on a journey, starting with a low-ticket offer that breaks down barriers to entry, and gradually introducing them to higher-ticket products and services as they become more familiar with your brand and the value you provide. This journey not only increases the lifetime value of each customer, but also deepens their loyalty and connection to your brand. As they ascend the value ladder, they experience more of what you have to offer, becoming more invested in your success, and more likely to recommend you to others. This is how you transform a one-time buyer into a raving fan, ensuring long-term growth and sustainability for your business. The power of the inbox email marketing magic. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, email marketing remains a powerful tool for building relationships, nurturing leads, and driving sales. While social media platforms come and go, email provides a direct line of communication with your audience, allowing you to deliver personalized messages that resonate and convert. We'll explore the fundamentals of email marketing, from building your list organically to crafting engaging email sequences that keep your subscribers hooked. You'll learn how to segment your audience based on their interests and behaviors, allowing you to send highly targeted messages that get results. Unleashing the traffic tsunami free and paid strategies. Traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. Without a steady stream of visitors to your website or landing pages, your sales funnel is essentially a ghost town. But driving traffic doesn't have to be a constant struggle. In this section, we'll explore a range of free and paid traffic strategies that can help you attract your ideal customers and flood your funnel with qualified leads. From search engine optimization or SEO to social media marketing, content marketing to paid advertising, we'll cover the pros and cons of each approach, helping you determine the best strategies for your specific business and budget. The art of upselling and cross-selling, maximizing customer value. Once you've acquired a customer, the game isn't over. In fact, it's just the beginning. Upselling and cross-selling are two powerful techniques that can help you maximize the lifetime value of your customers, turning one-time buyers into repeat customers and increasing your average order value. Upselling involves offering your customers a more premium version of the product or service they're already interested in, while cross-selling involves recommending complementary products or services that enhance their initial purchase. We'll explore the psychology behind effective upselling and cross-selling, and you'll learn how to implement these strategies ethically and effectively in your business. DotCom Secrets, your blueprint to online success. DotCom Secrets is more than just a book or a video, it's a philosophy, a way of thinking about online business that can transform your results. By understanding and implementing the principles outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to achieving the online success you've always dreamed of. Remember, the online world is constantly evolving, but the fundamentals of human psychology and effective marketing remain timeless. The strategies and tactics shared in DotCom Secrets have stood the test of time, and they will continue to be relevant for years to come. Now, it's time to take action. It's time to put these secrets to work in your business and start seeing real results. Ready to take the leap? The red pill is in your hand. The choice is yours. You can continue down the path of uncertainty, hoping for a lucky break, or you can embrace the proven principles of DotCom Secrets and take control of your online destiny. The information shared in this video has the power to transform your business, but only if you're willing to put in the work. Success in the online world, just like in life, requires action. It's time to stop consuming and start implementing. Are you ready to take the leap? Join the movement, like and subscribe, and let's grow together. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'm on a mission to empower entrepreneurs like you to achieve online success, and I'm constantly sharing new strategies, tactics, and insights. Let's connect in the comments below. Tell me about your biggest online business challenge, and let's brainstorm some solutions together. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. We're in this together. Now go out there and make it happen.